Create your own fun. Hey there, kids! Welcome back to our channel where we explore creative and fun DIY projects. Today, we're going to teach you some amazing DIY crafts that you can do at home with your family. So, grab your art supplies and let's get started. Welcome to my house. First, let's gather all the materials we'll need for our projects today. Great! Here we go: paper, glue, scissors, markers, colored pencils, and a piece of cardboard. Now, let's head to the kitchen for some delicious snacks. Yum! While we eat, let's talk about the projects we'll be doing today. Great idea! We'll start with the simple paper airplane creation. Alright, kids, now that we've got our paper airplanes, let's glue them together to make a beautiful bird. Cut some pieces of colored paper and attach them to the back of your bird to create different colors. That's awesome! Now, let's add some shading with markers to make our bird even more adorable. Wow, that's a fantastic bird! Next up, we'll make some cute paper flowers. Let's create some paper flowers using the colored pencils and a cardboard template. That's so easy, and just a few simple cuts and folds, and we've got some beautiful flowers. Great! Now, let's make some paper butterflies. Time for a snack break. While we enjoy our treats, let's make some more paper butterflies. Yes, let's do it. Just a few more folds and our butterflies are ready. Wow, those butterflies are so beautiful. And that's a wrap for today's DIY crafts. Thanks for joining us, kids. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting DIY projects. Until next time, stay creative.